Ladies and gentlemen, as we look at expressions and equations, the first thing that we need to review is creating and solving equations. Now, we've actually done this in the first unit that we introduce the year with variables and patterns, and this goes back to those types of equations. It gets more complex, and we'll do a lot more with it, but let's look at where we were back then. First step, let's look at this visual representation. What I want you to do is I want you to write down this equation on your guided sheet, and I want you to write it down with the coins and the pouches. Remember that each pouch would be x, and then I want you to take the 3 steps this time, take the 3 steps to actually solving for x. Remember to combine like terms, meaning take the smaller amounts of x and subtract it from both sides, canceling one side out. When you're done with that, you can unpause the video and move on. Alright, so this was one of the questions that was introduced to you back then. A family wants to rent a picnic area and will be charged $9 per person. Create an equation that expresses this equation. It can be done in 2 different ways. So we could start with y equals 9x. Or that could be C for cost equals $9 per person, per the number of people, so 9n. So that's, again, just a little bit of review on how to create an equation. And as we look at this next problem, how many people, if we have C equals 9n, the next step is actually going to be solving these equations. So how many people can come if the family only has $126? Well, we really have to get a great sense of what each variable stands for. So this n is the number of people. And this C right here, that's going to be the cost. So which one would fit in $126? That would be C right here. So I'm going to rewrite it underneath. $126 equals 9n. From here on out, what I want you to do is I actually want you to solve for n. You can do that through your one-step equation. There's only one step, so solve for n. And after that, I want you to write down the answer on your guided sheet of how many people can actually come to this picnic. So in summary, let's look at this golden rule of algebra. Golden rule of equations, we can say, do unto one side of the equal sign that you do to the other. Just an example here, 9x plus 7 equals 25. Subtract 7 from both sides. We should not subtract 7 from this right here. No, subtract 7 from both sides of the equal sign. So subtract 7 right here, which cancels out. Subtract 7 over on the right side of the equal sign. Rewriting the equation too. 9x equals 18. Next step, divide by 9. Canceled out. Do it to one side that you do to the other, so dividing by 9 on both sides, x equals 2. That's what we want to do. We want to isolate the variable. We want to get it alone. Isolate the variable. Alright, if you have any questions, make sure to talk to me. Otherwise, that's it for tonight. Have a good one.